When it comes to choosing a fire escape ladder, there are many factors to consider. Some ladders are designed for specific types of buildings, while others are more versatile. There are also ladders that are made for specific purposes, such as those that are designed to be used on balconies. Before choosing a ladder, it is important to consider the height of the building and the type of terrain around the building. It is also important to consider the weight limit of the ladder and the number of people who will be using it. There are many different types of fire escape ladders on the market, so it is important to do some research to find the best one for your needs. The following is a list of the 10 best Hausse Fire Escape Ladder, based on factors such as height, weight limit, and versatility. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Fire Escape Ladder 2-Story Portable. This is one of the most recommended fire escape ladders, which is the product of Hausse. It comes with V-type design to support your weight in the central part and make it sturdy enough even during the emergency. It is made of aluminum, and therefore, it is both lightweight and durable. The ladder has a height of 15 feet, which is about the height of a 2-story house. While the ladder is compact and portable, the steps are designed to be wide for a fast escape. It is also anti-slip to ensure your best safety. On the capacity side, it can support the maximum weight of 990 pounds, which is about the size of 3 people. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Ladder's Fire Escape Ladder 3-Story. We shall not miss this fire escape ladder from Ladder's as well. In case of emergency, users can quickly attach this ladder to the window or window frame to make a ladder to climb down easily. It comes with a V-type design which is suitable for most standard sizes of window. It has a tangle-free style, which means you do not have to assemble the product. When not in use, it can be folded small in order to store anywhere within reach. It is compatible with under bed or other places in the bedroom. It is certified by the EN 131 for the security, and it has been tested to load at the maximum of 1,000 pounds. The total length of this ladder is about 25 feet, or equivalent to 3 stories high. At number 3 on our list, we have the Hausse Retractable 2-Story Fire Escape Ladder. Here is another model of fire escape ladder from Hausse. The evacuation operation with this ladder is very easy to operate since it can be simply linked to the window in order to stay still and let you escape sturdily. You do not need to ask help from any tools in the house. The installation can be finished within a breath. The ladder is strong and sturdy enough to support your demand. The rungs are slip resistant to make your every step smooth and secure. Before sent to you, it has already been tested to prove that it can load at the maximum level of 1,000 pounds. Moreover, it can be extended up to 13 feet high, which is equivalent to your 2-story house. At number 4 on our list, we have the DELXO Fire Escape Ladder. If you want a ladder for both adults and children to climb with convenience, you should consider this ladder from DELXO. It is suitable for every home use since it is for emergency evacuation. The ladder can be connected with windows or doors for escape while the flame is catching you. The hook is retractable, and it can be maximized to let you climb down with stability. With the hook attachment, it can minimize the impact or possibilities of an injury. If you need to use it, you can start the operation immediately because there is no need for tools to assemble the ladder. On top of that, the step is designed to be anti-slip to prevent you from falling down due to any expected accidents. Moreover, for the weight, it can support the maximum weight of 1,000 pounds, which means all of your family can climb down together with confidence. At number 5 on our list, we have the ISOP Emergency Fire Escape Ladder 3-Story. For this fire escape ladder from ISOP, it is available at a reasonable price. The ladder is strong and solid with the support of rope and resin to protect you in the emergency case. Due to its highly durable construction, it can withstand the maximum weight of 2,000 pounds, while the breaking point is as high as 11.2 kN. It is suitable for almost all types of windows, which means you can escape with convenience. It is very easy to use during the evacuation. Users do not need to assemble or set it up with tools needed for help. It is as long as 25 feet, which is equivalent to 8 meters. The ladder is resistant to flame, and therefore, users do not have to worry about the fire catching you from the front. Apart from its lightweight and compact design, it offers 4 other sizes according to the level of your house. At number 6 on our list, we have the Exit 2-Story 13 Emergency Fire Escape Ladder. Let's have a look at this fire escape ladder from Exit Products. It is an emergency with the length varying between 13 and 53 feet or between 2 and 6 stories. However, the 2-story ladder is the most used by consumers. It has won the award of being the safest and strongest emergency ladder to help you get out of the house if there is a flame. In addition, it fits with all sizes of windows and walls, which make you climb down fast and sturdily to ensure the best safety. However, when not in use, there is a storage bag which you can store it easily and put it under your bed or other places within each. Moreover, it is tangle-free and it can support the maximum weight of 1,000 pounds, while the ladder itself is lighter than 6 pounds. At number 7 on our list, we have the Portable Fire Ladder 2-Story Emergency Escape Ladder. Sherwin also offers us with one of the best fire escape ladder 2-story in the market. It is a portable ladder with a very strong and sturdy design to help you in case of emergency. The height is about 15 feet, allowing users to climb down from the 2nd story with confidence. Each step is made wide enough to accommodate your demand and ensure you with safety. It has a space-saving design, which is collapsible and then foldable to a smaller size for a convenient storage. After it is fully expanded, it can be attached to the window in order for you to escape with safety. It is certified by EN 131, and it can offer a high load of 990 pounds. Also, it features the steel hook to support the structure with stability and durability. At number 8 on our list, we have the Hausse Retractable 3-Story Fire Escape Ladder. Moving on to the next fire escape ladder from Hausse, it is a 25 feet ladder which is a better choice for you if you are living in a higher story house. It is recommended to have this ladder in every house because it is for emergency use. In case of flame, you can attach the ladder to the window via hook attachment and go down slowly and securely. There is no need to assemble the ladder using any tools. It is fast enough to open and provide the stair for you to climb down just immediately. It is built to be strong and sturdy, and each step is equipped with an anti-slip rung. Therefore, security is already ensured for you. It is proved to withstand the maximum weight of 1,000 pounds. Moreover, a canvas bag is included for you to store the stair. At number 9 on our list, we have the Kidde Fire Escape 2-Story Ladder. This ladder is the perfect solution for your fire escape needs. It is easy to use, attaches to your window, and is made of sturdy materials. The ladder is 13 feet long, making it the perfect length for most windows. The steel and nylon construction is resistant to fire and flame, meaning you can use this ladder with confidence. The slip-resistant steps provide a safe experience, while the wide steps offer great balance. The maximum weight capacity of 1,000 pounds makes this ladder perfect for most people. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the First Alert 2-Story Fire Escape Ladder. In the event of a fire, every second counts. This fire escape ladder from First Alert can help you and your family escape from the upper floor of your home quickly and safely. The ladder is 14 feet long, making it ideal for 2-story homes. It is made of durable steel and can support up to 1,125 pounds. The nylon straps add extra strength and durability. The steps are coated with rungs to provide a smooth, safe footing. First Alert is a well-known brand that is trusted by people all over the world. The fire escape ladder comes with a 6-year warranty, so you can be confident in its quality. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.